I wanted to come back and redraw the nephron with you guys so that it's a little bit neater. And I'm going to start by drawing in the glomerulus, which is our capillaries, the glomerulus. Then I'm going to add on top of that my Bowman's capsule, and we'll come back and label it, which will go off to the distal or to the proximal convoluted tubule rather. Then this will drop down, and the tubes narrowed become the descending limb of the loop of Henle. And I'll move up. And then we are in the ascending limb of the loop of Henle, where it will thicken up. And we become the distal convoluted tubule. And the distal convoluted tubule will dump into the collecting duct. In the collecting duct, you are now urine once you get here. And the collecting duct has one subdivision we concern ourselves with. I'll use red to draw this in. But this is a renal papillae. And so if you're here in this area, you're called the papillary duct. But it's the collecting duct. So we have here is our glomerulus. Here is the Bowman's capsule. Here is the proximal convoluted tubule. Here is the distal convoluted tubule. This whole thing where it's called the loop of Henle, we had the descending limb. And we have the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. So let me give a bracket here. And that's your loop of Henle. Then here we have the collecting duct. And collecting duct, once you're in here, you're now urine. So we'll discuss more on the nephron as we go along, some of the things that are left here, but I'll have you guys draw that nephron time and time again. But these are the structures, mind you, for those in the AMP2 lab fall semester. You have to draw this from memory for your 5 points, so this is what you guys have to know. And a few minor things I want to add, by the way, is that the distal convoluted tubule actually will wrap around and communicate with the afferent arteriole here, the glomerulus as it comes in to detect the changes in blood pressure. But other than that, guys, here's another drawing of the nephron, which you guys have to draw for 5 points on your AMP lab exam. Thank you.